Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely BMW. It's the 116D. It's in absolutely fantastic condition. The paintwork is absolutely pristine. It's pearl white. Don't know whether you can feel the fleck up there, but it's actually pearl. Front park distance control. It's got the black pack on, so black wind covers, black window surrounds, privacy glass. Rear park distance control. It's a facelift model. It's an absolutely lovely condition for its age and mileage. Boot area, rear parcel shelf. Seats are in stunning condition. Red stitch piping in there. Just been nicely cleaned. That's why we've got a nice little keep this on, keep it clean. Mileage is 97,085 miles. It's got satellite navigation, air conditioning, Bluetooth phone prep, full media pack, DAB radio, different driving style modes. All our cars are pictured and videoed outside because for better light. But I kept in that indoor showroom for all weather viewing, and at DJH offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.